Hi guys, papaalis na ako, but we are going to do a what's in my bag that I'll be using today is itong Mosdom na Danica bag. First guys is hindi mawawala tong payong is water, stay hydrated. Itong wallet ko guys is, di ba, sobrang init, turbo fan. Phone, two phones guys, ito and then yung ginagamit ko on this video. My coin purse, essentials, dry tissue and then wet tissue. Itong parang bag pouch guys na where I usually put mga small things like this. So meron tayong perfume, my life, sobrang gamit na gamit ko to kasi hindi siya pwedeng mawala sa buhay ko. Is alcohol, itong lip butter from BLK, and blotting paper from JMCY, itong finishing powder from Lovely Cosmetics. Liitan din to siya guys. And very cute na siya, di ba? Meron silang itong black, meron ding a lot of colors, and you have been seeing this one on my previous videos, guys, and hindi pa siya nasisira. Even though I usually put a lot of things, mga heavy things, especially when I go out. So, sobrang sulit talaga ng mga Mosdom bags, guys. And one, guys, I will be linking this one on the yellow basket.